So students, the complementary angles I explained. If theta is one angle, its complementary is 90 minus theta. So because if one is theta, then its complementary will be 90 minus theta. That explains. So now some formulas. I am explaining some formulas regarding 90 minus theta. So and even we use these formulas in the next exercise, that is 11.3 exercise. Even I am deriving the formula also. Derivation also sometimes it is important. So first formula, sin 90 minus theta. Wherever you get sin 90 minus theta, you have to write cos theta. How sin 90 minus theta is cos theta? I am going to derive. Proof. I am giving the proof for this formula. So same way you can derive all other ratios. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So same way you can derive for other ratios. See here. Take a triangle. ABC is a triangle. We take a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Let this angle be theta. I am taking a triangle ABC. Write down. Take triangle ABC such that angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking this angle as 90. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let angle A is equal to theta. This angle I am taking as theta. Then what will be this angle? What is angle C? This plus this sum of three angles is 180 degrees. See, theta plus 90 plus C is equal to how much? 180, because sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. So C is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 minus theta. So that means if this is theta, automatically this should be 90 minus theta. Directly let us write. I explained why it is 90 minus theta, because this is only 90. So total 180 means remove 90. What is the remaining angle? 90. So sum of this angle will be 90. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta angle. So take a triangle ABC such that angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Let A is equal to theta. Then this angle will become how much? Angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. This is the figure I am taking. Now take the sin 90 minus theta. Don't write sin 90 minus theta. So from the beginning I am explaining this concept. I explained many times because there is some confusion here. So most of the cases, maybe 80-90% of the cases, we take this angle. For this angle, what is it? I will name the sides. For this angle, I will name the sides. For this angle, what is the name of this side? Hypotenuse. This is always hypotenuse. The greatest side is hypotenuse. What is the name of this side? Because it is opposite to theta, this is called opposite side. This is adjacent to theta. This side is called adjacent side. This is opposite, this is adjacent. Most of the cases we take like that only. But in some rare cases, instead of this angle, we take this angle. Here also same. See, I am not taking theta because the question is sin 90 minus theta. So theta I am not taking. This angle I am taking. For this angle, hypotenuse will be same. But opposite and adjacent will change. Generally this is opposite, this is adjacent, no? So if I am taking this angle, the names will change. Left, right, like that. So for this angle, what is the opposite? What is the opposite? AB. Opposite. For 90 minus theta, what is the sin theta definition? Just remember the definition. opposite by hypotenuse. Sign definition. Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means it is not simply opposite. Opposite to this angle. Opposite means opposite to what? Opposite to this. Correct sentence is like that. Opposite to 90 minus theta. Like that will be correct. So hypotenuse, no need of any change, because if you take this angle or this angle, hypotenuse will be this. Inclined side is always hypotenuse. There is no confusion in the hypotenuse. Only opposite and adjacent will change. So what is sine definition? See the sine definition. I gave the definition for sine. Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. Simply, instead of writing simply opposite, opposite to what? This angle. Now see the figure. What is the opposite side? I am taking this angle. What is the opposite side? AB. Opposite is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. That implies sine 90 minus theta is equal to what we got? AB by AC. Leave it. This is AB by AC. Now I am taking the right side. See here, don't write. A. Cos theta. I am taking the right hand side. What is cos definition? Cos definition. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Generally we write adjacent by hypotenuse, but proper will be adjacent to what? Adjacent to theta, this angle. This is the correct sentence. Cos definition is we always simply call adjacent by hypotenuse, but correct sentence is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. This is the cos definition. I gave the cos definition. We studied all the 6 trigonometric ratios definition: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So what is cos definition? Adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Now which angle I am taking? Now forget about 90 minus theta. Now I came to this angle, theta. I am taking this angle for this. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. So adjacent side. For theta angle, what is adjacent? AB. Hypotenuse, no confusion. AC only. So that means cos theta is AB by AC. What is the conclusion from 1 and 2? This is AB by AC, this is AB by AC. Therefore, from 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? So, this is AB by AC, this is AB by AC, both are equal. These two which should be equal. So, sine 90 minus theta is equal to, sine 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Proved. This is the formula. This is the formula you have to remember. Wherever sine 90 minus theta, where for 90 degrees sine changes to cosine. Sine changes to cosine. Same way cosine changes to sine, that also I will explain. So sine changes to cosine. For 90 degrees sine changes to cosine. That means sine changes to cos. So this is the formula. How I proved? I took a triangle ABC, this is 90 degrees and I am taking this angle as theta. If this is theta, this becomes 90 minus theta. Now I am taking sine 90 minus theta. Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. For this 90 minus theta angle, what is the opposite side? AB by hypotenuse is AC. Over. Leave it. Now take the right hand side, cos theta. What is cos definition? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So for this cos, adjacent by hypotenuse, AB by AC. So both are AB by AC. The sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Prove. This is one important formula you write down. Write down. you prepare the formula for cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So let us have a small proof for this. Same way you prove. Second formula, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Same way cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. How? Let us prove. Second one. Write down. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. How? Let us prove. Cos 90 minus theta. What is cos definition? Cos definition is, see the cos definition, adjacent by cos definition is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos definition, see the cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. Which angle I am taking? 90 minus theta. So whenever you are using adjacent or opposite, write the angle also. So cos definition is adjacent by hypotenuse. So for this angle, what is the adjacent side? For this angle, this is opposite because it is opposite to it. It is opposite. This angle I am taking, not this angle. Forget about this angle. Now we are taking this angle. For its opposite is AB. Adjacent is BC. Adjacent is BC. For this angle, adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse same AC. Leave it. Now I am taking the right side. Sine. Take. Now forget about this angle. Now we came to our original angle. Generally we take, most of the cases we take this angle only, no? So now we are taking this angle. What is sine definition? See the sine definition. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. For this angle generally we don't have confusion because most of the problems we use this angle. Its opposite is this. Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. Its opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC, BC by AC same. So from 1 and 2 the conclusion is this is BC by AC, this is BC by AC. Both are equal. Then these two should be equal. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. This is the second formula. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Like that you can derive for any other remaining also. Write down. Actually remaining you can do it, but I will derive all. So tan 90 minus theta, for tan 90 degrees, tangent changes to cotangent. We will get co. Sine changes to cosine. Cosine changes to sine. Tan changes to cotangent. What is the short form of cotangent? Cot. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is another formula. So we have total so even if you consider in reverse order, we can prepare 12 formulas like that. So all are same derivation, same concept. Write down this tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Start. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta formula derivation. What is tan definition? Opposite by adjacent. Tan definition. Tan definition is opposite by adjacent. But opposite means opposite to what? Opposite to this angle. Adjacent to this angle. Tan definition is opposite by adjacent. Opposite to this angle, adjacent to this angle. 90 minus theta, this angle. For this angle, what is the opposite side? For this angle, opposite side is AB. For 90 minus theta angle, opposite by adjacent. So when we are taking this angle, its opposite side is AB, and adjacent for 90 minus theta, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Don't disturb this. This is always hypotenuse. Opposite and adjacent will interchange. So for 90 minus theta, this is opposite and this is adjacent. What is adjacent? BC. Leave it. Now take cot. What is cot definition? See the cot definition. Adjacent by opposite. Opposite means what? Opposite to what? Theta. Cot definition is adjacent by opposite. So which angle we are taking? Theta. This angle we are taking. So for this angle, what is the opposite? BC. What is the adjacent? AB. For this angle, adjacent is AB. Adjacent is AB. Opposite is BC. So from 1 and 2, we observe that both are equal from 1 and 2. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Prove. Do this. Do this fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth formula, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Derive it. Do it. Cot cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. That is the formula. So I am going to prove that formula. See the cot definition. See the cot definition. Adjacent by opposite. Cot definition adjacent by opposite, but generally we have to write adjacent to which angle? What is the angle here? 90 minus theta. Cot definition is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent to 90 minus theta by opposite to 90 minus theta. Cot definition adjacent by opposite. But for this angle, where is that angle? 90 minus theta. For this angle, what is the opposite? AB. Adjacent is BC. Adjacent means attached to it. Attached to the angle is called adjacent side. Which side is attached to it? This, of course, this is also attached, but it is leave it. It is hypotenuse. Don't disturb it. Only these two will interchange. So for 90 minus theta, attached side is BC. That is also called adjacent. Adjacent is BC by what is the opposite to 90 minus theta? AB. Now take the right hand side. What is tan definition? Tan definition is opposite by adjacent. Tan definition. I gave the definitions for all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Tan definition is opposite to adjacent. Opposite to what? Theta. Adjacent to theta. So tan, opposite side for theta angle. For this angle, opposite side is BC. Opposite is BC. Adjacent is attached side to theta, AB. So BC by AB, BC by AB, both are equal. These two are equal. Then these two should be also equal. So from 1 and 2, the conclusion is cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. This also proved. This is the 4th formula. So total 6 formulas let us derive. Derivation is not so important, but anyway you should get some concepts. Some concepts you will get. Fifth. Cosecant changes to secant. Write down this and let us prove it. You can also start. You can start it. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So prove that formula. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. You start the proof. Cosecant. What is cosecant definition? See the definition of cosecant theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosecant definition is hypotenuse by opposite. Opposite to what? This angle. Cosecant definition is hypotenuse by opposite. See the definitions. I gave 6 trigonometric ratios definitions. And I think you would have remembered because we completed 2 exercises. So many problems we did using that definition. So for 90 minus theta, for this angle, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, no confusion. This is always hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? AC. Opposite. For which angle? 90 minus theta, opposite side. Exactly opposite AB. Secant theta. Don't write. Secant definition is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse only, but adjacent to what? Adjacent to this angle or adjacent to this angle? What is the angle here? Theta. So adjacent to theta we have to write. See, hypotenuse always AC, no doubt. By adjacent for this angle. For this angle, adjacent means attached side. What is the side attached to this angle? AB. Both are same. See here. AC by AB, AC by both are same. From 1 into these two are same, then these two should be same. Cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Remember this fifth formula. So one more formula is there, that also you let us derive. So 6 formulas will be sufficient for this exercise. 6 new formulas we are getting. Write down. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Remember this formula. Last formula. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. That is the last formula. 6th formula let us derive. Same method. Same method. Secant 90 minus theta. Right side cosecant theta. Let us find both the values. If both are same, then we say that both are same. If we prove that both are equal, then we say that both are equal, like that. So secant 90 minus theta you find, cosecant theta you find. See what ratio you are getting. Now, secant definition. Secant definition is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is secant definition? Hypotenuse by adjacent. See the definitions. Secant definition is hypotenuse by adjacent. What is the hypotenuse side? AC. Hypotenuse always same. AC. Adjacent for which angle? 90 minus theta. Attached side. Adjacent side is BC. BC. Next. And take the right side cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta definition? Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosecant definition is hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse? AC. Which angle I am taking? Theta. For theta, what is the opposite side? AB. Opposite is BC. Opposite to theta. BC, not AB. For theta angle, hypotenuse is AC. This is opposite BC. This is adjacent AB. So what we require? Cosec definition is hypotenuse by opposite. For which angle? Theta. So what is the opposite side? BC. AC by BC, both are equal. Then these two should be equal. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta over. So all the 6 formulas I derived. So write down this. Again I will list out all the formulas in a systematic order. So write down this, copy it fast. All 6 derivations I did. So same 6 formulas I derived now. So I will write in the systematic order. First formula, sine 90 minus theta is equal to, you have to remember, cos theta. Easy to remember. Sine changes to cosine. Cosine short form is cos. Cosine changes to sine. Easy to remember. Cos 90 minus theta is cosine changes to sine. This is the formula. Third formula is tan. Tan changes to cotangent. What is a cotangent short form? Cot. Same way, cotangent changes to tangent. Tangent means tan. Next, secant changes to, or cosecant changes to secant. Same way, secant changes to cosecant. These are the 6 formulas you have to remember. New formulas for the third exercise. And another thing is, I derived all the formulas. All the formulas I explained how the formula came. I derived it, and easy to remember. Sine changes to cosine. Cosine. Cosine changes to sine. Tangent changes to cotangent. Cotangent changes to tangent. Cosecant changes to secant. Secant changes to cosecant. Co we will get CO. Sine, cosine. Cosine to sine. Tangent, cotangent. Cotangent to tangent. Cosecant to secant. Secant to cosecant. Like that. Easy to remember. So remember these formulas, students.